The new Evolution Plus HypaSoothe burns kits are the premier solution for burns first aid in the workplace. I can't wait to tell you all about them. These comprehensive burns kits are stocked with premium quick-relief HypaSoothe burn dressings and gel to stop the burn process and soothe injuries. Each Evolution Plus kit includes a wall-mounting bracket to ensure your kit is visible and accessible while also allowing them to be opened and used as a workbench on the wall. Their bright red coloring makes them easy to identify in an emergency. Small, medium, and large kits are available, each designed to serve workplaces of different sizes and levels of risk. Your workplace's risk assessment determines the kit size you need. The small kit is compact and easily portable when removed from the wall bracket, and its contents are suitable for workplaces with a small number of employees where burns can happen but are less of a concern. The medium kit is designed for mid-sized workplaces and can serve more individuals and treat larger burns than the small kit. The large kit is our most robust option and is capable of providing first aid to multiple burn injuries of varying severity at the same time. It's the best option for large workplaces where a high risk of burns is present. The Evolution Plus HypaSoothe burns kits are stocked with useful items that make burns first aid easy and effective in your workplace. Here's a little bit about them. The included wall mounting bracket allows each Evolution Plus kit to be used from the wall as a workbench, and the medium and large kit's internal shelves make the organization of content easier than ever. The HypaSoothe burn dressings are premium sterile gel-soaked dressings that quickly soothe minor burns by creating a cool and moist healing environment. The cooling gel itself is also supplied in the kit and can be used to provide immediate relief to smaller surface burns. The HypaBand safety pins are a versatile first aid tool used mainly to secure bandages wrapped over burn injuries. They pair well with the HypaBand conforming bandages, which are ideal for securing burn dressings in place or for covering a burn after it's cooled. The Snips clothing cutters are strong scissors for removing clothing around a burn injury to facilitate first aid. And finally, the HypaTouch disposable gloves are medical-grade powder-free vinyl gloves to prevent cross-contamination when treating burns. Thanks for watching, and visit our website for more info on the Evolution Plus HypaSoothe kits and our countless other first aid products.